Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are in Vegas celebrating Andre's birthday. It was actually his birthday on Sunday, but whatever, same thing, we're celebrating his birthday. And we're here at the Hilton Grand Vacations. We're here like kind of like on a little 2-for-1 trip. So we're celebrating Andre's birthday, but then we also have to do this promotional timeshare thing with Hilton Grand Vacations. That's why we're staying here. So basically we're staying here 4 days, 3 nights, and it was $200. But basically the catch is that we have to go to Hilton's little timeshare promo meeting for like 2 hours or whatever in order to stay here for this rate. So yeah, that's why we're here. We're not here for the timeshare, not interested, but we're here for the good time, not for a long time, not getting a timeshare. So anyway, let me show you the room. Here is the room when you first walk in. Here's the bathroom. It's kind of on the older side, nothing special, but obviously it was $200 for the 4 days, so I guess there's not much to expect. We came in last night around midnight, so we've already been here. That's why it's kind of messy. Anyway, this is the studio kitchenette, and there are some dishes in here. And we just bought some stuff earlier from Dash Mart. And then there also came with soap and a sponge for you to do the dishes and whatnot. Here's a little bed area. Again, we already slept in it. That's why it's kind of a mess. And the rest of the room. Brought my computer with me. I was doing some work earlier because unfortunately, sometimes you still got to get work done even when you're on vacation. And here's our view. This is the Hilton Grand Vacations on the Strip. We're at the, I guess, the end of the Strip. There's not really much going on, but you can see the stratosphere, whatever the thing is called. There's actually another Hilton Grand Vacation that's on the Strip, like next to the Flamingo and just a more populated area. It's kind of dead over here, but whatever. We're about to get out of here soon anyway, so that's fine. I actually left most of my clothes, hence me wearing this denim fit. I don't even really know what's going on. I actually wore this on the plane yesterday, but I forgot the shoes that I wanted to wear with my dress. So right now I'm just wearing just an Old Navy denim jacket. I think it's just like a black cami from, or is it Old Navy or Forever 21, whatever. Some green Old Navy leggings, some Nikes. I forgot the name of these shoes. Not sure what they are, but if you know the name, let me know in the comments down below. And of course, my FSU hat. And yeah, so like I said, we're about to go shopping because I didn't really bring anything with me. So yeah, let's go. California. I know it's so basic, but it really is good. Here is our lunch. We got the Diablo pizza, so it's chicken, chilies, jalapenos, and cilantro. Andre, what did you get?
I got the rummy
boba.
Yeah.
I think it's roomy, the roomy boba. And I got an iced matcha latte. Honestly, it's really not that good. I feel so bad, but I'm probably gonna tell them to take it back because it's not that good. But I'm excited to try the pizza because it does look good.
I think it's just organic.
You like it? You should put some of the pepper, the olive oil pepper, and some extra cheese on there. right, so we're heading back to the hotel. We didn't have much luck shopping. I just like got a couple clothes and stuff from Zara, and we had some food at Earth. We have to do our little promotional tour thing with Hilton, so we're just gonna go rest up and clean up and head to that. All right, so we just came back from the little presentation or whatever. Basically, they were trying to sell us a timeshare. We already knew that, but they were trying to basically finesse it and say that it wasn't a timeshare because you can get points and then you can go from place to place to place or whatever. And I ain't gonna lie, like, it seemed, you know, pretty decent, but it's just like they were kind of unclear about certain things, like how to leave the program. And like when we were sitting here doing the math, like some of it just wasn't mathing. So we were just like, okay, I don't really think it's gonna work for us or whatever. It was Gucci, we're just gonna walk away. Andre.
Why?
Andre, being the tourist that he is, like zero, like he has a temper, low patience. Don't front, Andre. Temper. Anyway, yes, tourists. Okay, leave a comment down below if you know any tourists. Tell me or not if they have a temper, okay? Because someone's lying here. Anyway, I don't know what happened, but Andre and the little sales guy, whatever, they're getting real spicy. I had to calm him down because he was getting real spicy and I was getting embarrassed, and I said, you know what, let's just go, because I just felt like this was about to turn into something that we did not sign up for.
Nah, don't get it misconstrued.
Andre, so what happened? What happened?
Don't misrepresent what happened.
What happened, Andre?
You know, he just threw a couple of shots and I just got a little, you know, sent a couple back. That's all it was.
Okay, all I'm saying is, if you're not gonna bother,
exchange of, you know.
Okay, so we bottom line is we weren't gonna get the property. I'm just cool just walking away. I don't know what happened. They got real spicy. So anyway, we're done. We're not buying the property.
Though, intellectually spicy though, not no about to square up and.
Okay, anyway.
All that.
This is the outfit that I picked up from Zara earlier, head to toe, little bodysuit, mom jeans, and I'm really happy about the jeans because the fitting room is closed because of COVID, so you can't really try anything on, so I just picked up the size 6. Got the little white shoes. Here's the back. I don't know if you can really see the back. Hold on. Here's the back of the jeans. I really like them considering that I didn't try them on. So yeah, we about to run out of here, do some extra shopping, hit up the casinos, and get some food, so stay tuned. Yo, these tacos look fire. We're at this Mexican place that's actually from Tijuana, and they made the tortillas from scratch. There was like the lady who was making them. Now we have this little jail booth between us. Yo, these look so fire. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. So we fell asleep last night. We didn't end up doing anything, but we did upgrade our suite, well, our studio into the 1-bedroom suite here at the Hilton Grand Vacations. So I'm just gonna show you what the 1-bedroom suite looks like. Much larger kitchen than what we're staying in. Look at this cute little man that comes with the place. Anyway, there's a washing machine in here. Full-size fridge. Full-size stove. And you still have the toaster like you did in the other place. Knife set. Regular coffee set. All that jazz. Dishwasher. And then here is the bathroom, similar to the other one, just a lot bigger. Hold on, where's the light? Then you have a walk-in shower. And then here is the jacuzzi tub. And then your closet. And then here's all my junk thrown on the floor since we literally just moved into this room. So same room, just a lot bigger. It's only an extra $25 a day. And even though, you know, our view is under construction, I think it's still a lot nicer than the other view that we had in the other room. So yeah, I'm glad we spent the extra $25 a night. We didn't really know what it was gonna look like, so we didn't know if it was worth it. Little table nook area with the booth. This is the much larger living space. This is a representation of what you would get basically if you signed up for their timeshare. So this would be their 1-bedroom option of their timeshare that's all over the place. But yeah, it's pretty nice. I'm glad we upgraded. So much better. And a little vanity sit down area. So yeah. Right now we're getting ready to head to Red Rocks. We're about to go hiking, but I think I'm gonna get another shirt because your girl looks crazy and I'm not trying to burn up in the sun. But yeah, catch us later. We're about to go hiking. All right guys, going to Red Rocks was a bust. We just found out that you need reservations to even get in the park, and for whatever reason the website's not working. We can't get in the park, and we were gonna Uber there. Then they're saying that there's no cell service really in that area, so if you Uber there, you can't really get a ride back. So looks like we're not going to Red Rocks, and right now we're just finding something else to do. I think maybe we're gonna head out to Fremont Street and see what all we can do. Andre's over here trying to make a drink already. But yeah, so much for going to Red Rocks. Like, we really like doing the hiking thing, but just looks like it wasn't working out on this trip.
One of the dark ones.
Yeah. Oh, we're just gonna smell it. Yeah, this one smells better.
I thought it might be like a baby's I have not tried that because by the time I get home at night, I need a cocktail. Not hard. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to talk about one more gentleman.
All right, so we're back to our hotel. We just came back from the strip. We were walking around, and before, as you can see, we were at the not the Mob Hotel. We were at the Mob Museum, and it was pretty cool to see all the information about like Al Capone, Bugsy Siegel, Meyer Lansky, and like a bunch of like other mobsters and stuff. And yeah, it's pretty interesting to know that the mob actually was in connection with like some of like, you know, the infrastructure in this country. So like the Hoover Dam, that was Las Vegas. Yeah, well, yeah, I'm talking about infrastructure, but yeah. So the Hoover Dam, like, I guess there was some like mob connection there. Then they pretty much built up Vegas, and then like a lot of people know that, you know, drug money, organized crime, stuff like that built up Miami. Oh, a lot of Miami. I didn't know that that took part of excuse me. I didn't know that was also Coral Gables also, because Coral Gables is a pretty nice area. So I had no idea that, you know, a lot of that was built up by organized crime and stuff. It was cool, but at the same time, like, it was kind of creepy because like most of the tour were like in dimly lit hallways, and it was a dark building, and then we went to the basement. So hearing about all that death and organized crime, like, I don't know, it kind of had me feeling like a certain kind of way. At some point I just wanted to go because I was getting kind of creeped out. And then after we finished the tour, we did a moonshine tasting, and it was pretty cool because they had the distillery right in the basement, so they did everything there. It's pretty good, and they gave it to us in those little communion cups that you could see. And I know it was just a tasting, but they definitely could have given us a bigger cup because they gave us like this much moonshine. But at the same time, maybe that was to my benefit because your girl was ready to go to sleep right after. So yeah, anyway, we're just about to take a nap, and then we're gonna go get food later. All right, so we are heading out to dinner. We are going to Smith and Walensky Steakhouse. I am wearing this old dress by Forever 21. It's been sitting in the closet and I have not worn it. Bag is by Shein. I had this in my Shein haul if you want to check that out above. And then I'm just wearing it, excuse my shoes. I'm just wearing it with these heels from Pretty Little Thing. And yeah, we are ready to go. Here's the birthday man.
So,
How you feeling?
feeling great.
Here's so here we are at Smith and Walensky. I got the filet mignon, mashed potatoes, truffle mac, and what'd you get, Andre?
I got the seared tuna.
Yeah, it looks really bomb. Drink tastes good. Let's dig in. Ooh, birthday boy.
Good morning, you guys. We're back again. Got back late last night after dinner at Smith and Walensky's. Dinner was super good. Food was amazing. I already got done doing some laundry this morning, getting all our stuff cleaned, and just here enjoying our last few hours. Chantal is over here putting in some work. And yeah, just wrapping it up. Probably gonna go grab a bite downstairs or go find something to eat and then head to the airport. So, see you guys.